Oh my goodness, I didn't even film it. Well, it wasn't a crap
Do
hold.
it again, it doesn't count.
Crap hold anyways. Didn't even want that on camera. Yours was better than mine. That was like a lot better than mine. Ten reps. That's 1, 2.
So this is us finishing up our short week, admittedly, of 40-second chest to walls times 5.
I'm very content with redoing 5x40 next week. Gotta get a full week of 5x40 before we bump it up.
You were gonna skip today too.
Yeah. Oh god.
What's going on? I'm very tired.
That was good. That was a good fight.
I like to dance with the water, the undertow and the waves. The water is mischievous, ha! I like how it misbehaves. Mind what he says.
Remember, you may hear a voice.
I started this camera just so I had a clock because I'm using my phone to film over there. And you might survive. We are starting off 4th of July fireworks on July 3rd with some poppets. Some whippersnappers.
Can I have some more?
Yeah. Kicking off 4th of July. Whee! I don't know, do you want me to read them all?
Yeah. Super.
I hope it doesn't burn the tree.
Mr. Crackle.
Mr. Crackle. What's gonna happen next?
I think it's gonna crackle, maybe pop.
Love it. When is it gonna pop?
Maybe that's it. Just a little rose blossom.
That was almost the biggest one we've done.
Cat.
Ooh, is this one gonna be super big?
No, this one's little.
No.
This one's tiny.
It's so sneaky.
This one's called June bugs.
June bugs. June bugs. What is it called?
Rain shower.
No, I don't like that one. Okay. That was interesting for that.
We're gonna take a brief intermission.
Hey, don't rip the grass. Do you think the grass likes that? I don't think so.
Hey boys, come here.
What?
Swords. Okay, what are the rules, Etta?
We're gonna read it. Okay. Emits showers of sparks. Carefully caution on the back panel. Performance titanium rain.
Must be the fireworks.
Do not direct, do not point it at persons or animals, okay?
Ooh.
So, both come stand here.
Make sure Alex understands. He's the one
Alex,
who's gonna
stand stand here. Okay.
Maybe they should be like have spots where they should stand, like opposite on the thing.
No, we're not fighting with these horses.
Okay.
I know, I think them together makes more sense if they shoot the stuff this way and nobody gets hurt. Oh my god, this sparker. There we go, they're good, they're both lit.
No, Alex, no. Just point it.
Don't shake it around or it'll stop, Alex. Are those some mighty swords you guys have? you can point them up in the air now, if you want to point it up. Oh, no, sorry. Sorry. There's a lot of sparks in that mighty sword. Yeah, a baby frog.
Be careful, don't hurt it.
I'm just trying to get it on my stick.
No. Leave it. Of course. Daniela, I need you to not do that.
Let's not mess with the plants, guys. Plants, trees, leave them alone. So this year's strategy was to do a little bit of smaller of a variety pack, but then the bigger finale. And I think that's what we got. So even though we didn't have any friends come over, I think we had a lot of fun. Thumbs up, Daniel? What do you think? How many thumbs up?
100.
Say 100 thumbs up.
100, 2,050, 60 million thumbs up.